today is we're changing the lazy jacks. I've already started, so I just replaced these ones here to away from that stuff there, because that's, you know, as you can see, it's getting quite perished. And I'm also going to change this top one too with the new rope I've got down there. So yeah, just a quick day of mucking around while it's a beautiful day here in Launceston. Absolutely stunning day here today. It's about 13-14 degrees, so it makes it a bit easier jobs. Anyway, I'll show the finished result when I'm done, because I can't video and do the jobs at the same time. Okay folks, at the end of the day, it's coffee o'clock, and yeah, they're up. They're not as, they're a bit twisted up the top there, but I'm going to get up there in the morning. I'm running out of daylight now to do it, so they're all attached properly, but I'm just going to get up there and untwist a couple of them, twisted up with a new line on there, so we'll fix that tomorrow. And there's the cup of coffee ready to go. Yeah, so I'll be done, and then I'll do my, so you can see behind me, I'll do the mizzen tomorrow, which is just there, and yeah, then it's possibly onto the window or the anchor. So hopefully I'll get one of them done by tomorrow afternoon, or yeah, we'll live in hope that we'll get it all done by tomorrow afternoon, but we won't. Yeah, the engine on the boat started her up today, goes like a dream, started the first kick. So yeah, it's a beautiful night here, and I think I'll call it quits for the day. Talk soon. To another morning of mayhem and madness. Yeah, I know, hoping to shave. Anyway, so what we're doing this morning, well, as I don't know if I showed you yesterday, I started this old girl up. First kick, she just pulled straight over, and yeah, I don't like really starting it when it's not in the water, but anyway, I did quickly. Runs like a dream. Leaky, but there you go. I just pumped it up, and yeah, it's 3.2 metres. The floor actually stays upright, so yeah, good buy, an excellent buy for the money. So yeah, I go on the deck nicely. Just got to get myself a way to pump up using the pump on the deck. It's easier than me trying to foot pump it. But yeah, she's sitting up there nicely. There's two. Yeah, it's quite a solid little old girl. Yeah, so that'll fit nicely between the front and the beam there. Yeah, so there she is. Done. But yeah, so everything, as I said, is coming together. I'm going to try between there and there. I think it'll fit. Looking at that, I reckon it'll fit. I'm just going to get the tape measure shortly and measure all up, and yeah, we'll have a look and see if she fits there nicely. If it does, I'll be happy. Otherwise, I've got to move that solar panel, which I won't be happy. But yeah, there's the bane of my existence. That is the bane of my existence. But we'll get there. A little bit of surface rust over there. Yeah, just another day, Saturday morning, end of June, I mean end of July, so by the time you've seen this video, it'll probably be around about the September mark, and we'll be almost organising ourselves to leave here by end of November, I think we are looking at. Yeah, so early December. I've contacted a couple of marinas to organise spots on the way up the coast, and yeah, we'll go from there. Yeah, it's another day coming. We've got a bit of rugged weather coming up again tonight. Hopefully it doesn't get too rugged, but yeah, the other night was pretty good. You'll see that on the video too. Bait was creaking like a old battleship. Anyway folks, we'll talk again very soon. And oh look, Admiral's on the deck. There he is. And before you folks, I can't take video footage of a lot of work that I'm doing because my GoPro's died, and I'm currently saving to buy 2 new ones, so I'm using the phone more regularly, and I haven't really got a handpiece for the phone to set it up on deck and show you what I've done. But yeah, yes, I put new lines all the way through. That's the orange line just down the bottom there. New lines onto the lazy jacks, and I'll be doing the rear ones when the weather eases off a bit. Anyway, we'll talk very soon. Anyway folks, to cap off a good day's work, yep, that's telling me I've got full load on all the batteries. the new Victron sitting there running two panels, running the single 200 watt panel. So, yep, all my solar is now complete. I'm operational and working. Just got to figure out how to get this one to work on my phone. Apparently it works off Bluetooth. I'll figure it out one day. Anyway guys, I'll talk very soon. It's dinner time and you know, food's coming. Well, this is mate life there. Oops, got the camera covered. Yeah, and a nice fine Tasmanian day. But you know, you wouldn't wish it any other way really. I haven't got this tied up properly because I've only just walked up and the evolution's blocking back, but anyway, this is what it's all about. Come here and yeah, there's even creating waterholes. Anyway folks, I will talk to you very soon. Today is going to be a video editing day. Probably a shave. Anyway, alright folks, talk soon, enjoy. Well, there you go folks. Been a busy week on the boat. Oop, hello. Oh, I'm showing this sky at the moment. But there we go. We got the new lazyjack lines on. All the way through. And the whole boat. All the way up there. See, all the way up the top. All the lazyjack lines. Did a bit of rust repair yesterday. That's what that black is down there. Gotta sand it back now and cover it. But yeah, she's all coming together. As I said, the dream is coming together. Very slowly, but getting there. Well guys, I just put up a little cutter rig and the wind's sort of up there and it's, yeah, making it a bit harder to deal with. So, yeah, got a bit of mould on it, but yeah, a bit blowy, but yeah, it'll come down easy enough and I'll let it go. So let it go onto the floor. Yeah, so I put my little cutter rig up there. I just jury rigged it there. It's not even tied up at the bottom down here, as you can see, but it's up there. Yeah, lay tight here, and then the wind decides to come up as soon as I go and hoist it. Anyway, might buy a little pole for it to keep it out there, but yeah, at least it's up. Up, there we go again. There we go again. It's going to dry it out. It's got a bit damp. As I said, a little bit of mould on it. So later on I'll fix it up and make sure it actually is able to be run properly. Alright, talk soon. Well, thank you folks for watching this episode. Stay tuned for a lot more coming up on the Adventures of Rustic Charm. Also thanks to my patrons, Faye, Kristiansen Music and Thomas Marshall. And yeah, thanks for really supporting me guys, and to Gippsland Bait and Tackle and Crookall.